Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Juliet, mommy Juliet on YouTube. How are you people doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about marriage in Africa. The way people say they get babele, they get evil mind. When you want to go person marriage, when person want to celebrate happiness, you will not go there with happiness. You all go there with babele, carry babele follow everywhere. You get this video what I see, my people. What I see this video, I was so surprised. Say that person do person this thing, when person they happy on marriage day, they happy, you will carry yourself with evil mind come person party. I say if you dey Nigeria, you want to do marriage, you need to do fasting and prayer. You need to pray very, very well before you come out for inside motor. You need to anoint everywhere. You return every evil plan back to sender. Now means sometimes when people don't do marriage finish, because they don't go see born, so come start the face problem. So first get money before. At the end of the day, they don't go see money. They don't get money. They pass different type of temptation. Now wow, I say this video what I see, I go put some muna wash am. Ma put the video muna wash am. Muna see wetin person they do person. I go put the video muna wash am. This video, I say how it be. This woman come out, even see the shirt we wear, it be like burger fish. He come out carry bad belly, come person till they turn now. Maybe you all done for the third time. We carry corner. Maybe they say you do it 3 times. Thank God, never cook at 3rd one. You want to do the 3rd time. Now the boy, all and say, "Ah, madam, what did they do so?" The thing, and this video what they show now so, it happened for Edo State too. It happened for Edo State. And you know tell me say the bad thing they happen for Edo, it they happen for another country. They happen for another country. Yeah? What person will carry babele go person marriage? I don't understand. Carry babele go person marriage. What do you want give? If you don't want join those who be say they rejoice, stay your house now. They not come say if you don't go say na problem or say you don't go eat for life again. If you want young person celebrate his happiness, go. If you don't want young person to celebrate his happiness, you all stay your house. This is your own sorrow. Right now you sorrow. You stay with your sorrow now. Let you they happy as you go talk am. Say join those that celebrate and celebrate with them. Everybody they pray, make person make they celebrate. And tomorrow now, may God not let bad thing happen to that people. Now she will first come out. Hey oh, they cry that nonsense cry. You know, good night so for this social media so Edo community. They fight themselves. This one will fight this one. This one will fight this one. If a person even do you something, say that it don't pass. Let bygone be bygone. No, they not go rest. They not go rest. Even see this lolo now we be say they fight up Kate. They fight up and down. Okay, lolo say Kate do something. He do something. We be say he call his husband Abriba. Let's say the truth. Abriba for Edo land. He mean all these people with they carry some small machine. They go they patch second hand clothes for street. Now people they call Abriba for Benin. Okay, fine. If you even call your husband Abriba, which is there, if you follow a quarrel by there, and which is the lady say he don't tell her say sorry. Say me she not vex. He don't tell her sorry. Because I not even see the video when you call her husband Abriba. Okay, what is don't pass? Why you can't decide say on the day of person marriage? Then you come they stay for hours, they talk this, they talk that, they talk A, they talk B, they call different names, they saw the husband Elim, they saw this one, they talk. Now be the evil, we say they talk, now be the evil, now be the wicked mind. Anybody will be saying no they follow person, they celebrate, what the person they celebrate, because they bring evil, you know so that person are evil. That person they run for an evil. Because if you see the video where you watch now, maybe this guy offended, maybe this boy offended that long time ago, you can't decide say on your marriage day now you go pay evil. What is different for what Lolo do and what this woman do so? different not there now. Different not there. Not the way if you start for live video for person marriage day. Stay 5 hours. If that person can't see chance stay enter the marriage, say you not go do what that woman do for this video. When y'all finish watching, he go do pass that one. Evil mind no good. Spread person day where they will be saying person they celebrate. That kind of person, I'm not run for that kind of person because the one will be saying you go do now, nice more. The one you do this one nice more. The one we go do now, times 100. Evil person always remain evil. If you like it, if I do now like the laugh, you not even pass here. He hook for you. Now all this jealousy, all this bovo. Now they see come out that day we be say Esther Dokpaji want come do a show for London. The same jealousy, you know made them stay. The same jealousy, you know made them stay. Now made that man come out because they use the matter they drive condemn motor. Why is it that anytime that we Edo, I'm not talking on that time, we Edo, anytime that people want to do a good thing, nice thing, the English organization, they always come out to come and try out to destroy that thing. Why we always like that? Are you not see Igbo people on YouTube? Do you people see the way Benin people misbehave on YouTube? This Igbo like that they misbehave. When Igbo have quarrel, when one or two talk about the issue is finished. If they want to restore themselves, they will restore themselves. Our Benin, our Edo, they will restore their husband, they will restore their children. They will, even their dead mother, the one they are alive, they will restore everything together. And tomorrow you come out that you have old training. You don't have old training. They didn't give you any old training. They didn't give you any old training at all. Must you fight anybody that throw any stone to you? Sometimes you overlook and say, thank God say the stone don't miss me, I dodge am, back to sender. Now me our Benin, our Edo say, BIF not all over at all. Not your man at all. That I will be saying that devil busy go touch your person body, he gonna trash you. If everything that they fight, why you don't go fight and back? If he ain't do something today, the thing don't pass 1 year, 2 years, not go rest. Any small to not gonna pay. I don't know me. I don't know. They'll say they repair me at the ledoji. I don't know what is the ideology for the social media. I don't know. Must you use fight to advise somebody? Must you use agreement to advise somebody? Must you use because that person already offended you before to advise somebody? Do you know why peace will not come on YouTube with Edo people? Why peace not will come for this our Edo group? Why? Because if their friend do something, will be saying you not good. What to say, my friend, what do you do? So you not good though. If you don't do this, you not good. Why you do like this? What they will do? They will support their own because they're their friend. But where another person do exactly what that friend do, they can't come out, carry share the words, carry share sit down so. They will talk and the thing, they will talk and they will better, they will and someone after this our Edo presenter. Some of them I don't know what they present. They never come out one day for their social media, whether Facebook or YouTube. Maybe they come out, put one story, talk one thing, talk one life story, create their content. No. And I said you talk to that one, I'm here for you to fight you. And so you talk to B, I'm here to come and defend B. You talk to A, I'm here to come and defend A. When you go some people YouTube or Facebook, when you go inside that place, you not see the content that they create by themselves. All from A to Z, all is saga. For generation to revelation, all is saga. Saga. They know they get their own topic. This is my mama. This is my enemy. I just talk to her. Do this one, do this one. I don't know why people don't mind their own business. Even see the one that happened with that woman that live in Germany. That one, you not go to the party, you not even call and put for inside. You all carry the matter since they say they carry the matter. Must we talk for everything we see on social media? I don't people more they do sense. More go look Igbo. If Igbo get saga with another YouTuber, all Igbo YouTuber don't they part they go talk one matter. But for our though, only one topic, only one person. All the whole presenter, all the whole YouTube, they will talk about it. For me, at the same I say, we will not get what you want to talk. We will not get what you want to talk. I'm talking. I say for my YouTube, this one maybe this one is this third video because what I say it too much. I can't talk my mind. Because if you not get shade, who they look now? They get shade. We get shade. Supposed to let us support social media for them to you solve that thing. Everybody go yo. In everybody go. Not because I see they watch them. Sometimes if I see a year I see you go they go watch. If you still looking for days now, I never see. I know they watch Monica. I just watch. I never see where they talk about Lolo. Lolo, every topic you talk, every day Monica will wear Monica, so Monica will talk. Even when Kate or old year they call her now. Monica, now see Monica, they mention Monica name. Lolo, you don't get topic. Where topic? To a soon, the work, you don't know. I beg go every day. Monica. Since how many years? 2 years of here Ghana. Where you topic Monica. Lolo, if you do you something, as they carry Bible, Psalm 109, Psalm 109, Psalm 109. I bet see they read where God say forgive. See they read where God says forgive. No Psalm 109, no cause, not be only cause the Bible. Forgiveness, this Bible. Lord, if you be Christian, it's time to let bygone be bygone. Remove Monica name for your mouth. As Monica remove your name for your mouth, remove your Monica name for your mouth. Maybe we get peace. Ikpaniro, all of them talk like woman. You carry one matter for how many months? Why am I talk? Oh, why not monetize? Don't not monetize? Why am I talk? Yeah, me I don't even know. Not be una a viewer. Not be una mate 26 years old boy and 20-something years old girl. Not be go buy 10 acre for America. Not be they go buy 10 acre. If you want to post video for 5 hours, they get me 1 something view. Not be 500 view, not be 1,000 view, not be 800 view. 1 million points. Under 5 hours, they let you hear the year word. Our do view. Imagine. I never say anybody with the live video will be say you get 5,000. If you all of now open on a subscriber now, EJ you know nothing no dirty. Here 50,000 subscribers. No we what on that. No we 50,000 subscribers. What more that? All people need to do to disgrace us. If you know that you don't have topic, you can come and dance, put it there. People will watch it. If you don't know what to say, call another YouTuber. Two of them will do video. Two of them will do video together. Now do video together. You go get view. All this year, they want to pull saga for a view. We wanna stop her. Because if I look at all of you now, I never see anyone who say they do saga. If person your friend, you must to talk. If I say Kate they talk that for Lolo because Lolo do you for or in marriage day, that kind of thing you go vex person because marriage and the day we say person they celebrate baby dedication, or your wife give birth to baby boy or girl. Not be that time they use evil till they pay evil. If you say anybody be say they celebrate with happiness, you say come bring your evil eye. Because evil eye tell one. This is the letter you might able to stay your lay. It's not the episode for social media. One talk, two talk. It's okay. It's how this mistakes. It's how this quarrel. No, so they pick one thing. They advise people for his side. Like this alone. Now see the advice we did there. Say if person offend you, if you want to retaliate, do it for that moment. Not on celebration day or the day of celebration. You can say you want to retaliate. You be devil. As a pack of money. You understand? If you person bring down your page or anything, if you talk an art once, two, it's okay. Leave everything for God. Now God they see all arts. Now God go fit deal with who deal with you. If you come and say they call God and if they find that thing by yourself, they bring down your page, they bring down your YouTube, if they find that thing for how many months, my brother, my sister, you are not fighting. God will not fight. God will not fight for you again because you are fighting for yourself. And to even start. Now evil person then they carry mind type go YouTube, go block person YouTube. It's not good. It's not good at all. And for this life, not be everything. And for YouTube, even say you don't know. If you want to know how to use them, just go to YouTube. Talk if you feel like that. If you don't feel like that, talk for the speaker. He go bring your out. And not see one person could they help you for YouTube, could they do this one for YouTube. Even to send private message to YouTube. Now see pay money to theater. If you want send a message to YouTube, private message. Go YouTube, say how to send private message to YouTube. They will show you. Not be everything they will say, use money to do. Waiting. Must you use everything to make money on YouTube? Must you use everything to make money on Facebook? How to send private message? Go to YouTube. If you can't write a private message, just say it in speaker. Type that where they read that this thing put. You type and you go bring speaker out. Say how to send private message to YouTube. They will bring down. You watch the video by yourself. Send that by yourself. YouTube, by the time people say you must go school. Now be go school. Everything they YouTube. Everything they go. If you not feel go around, do it for YouTube. They will bring the video out. Like me, this one I start my YouTube. And I call anybody say, come and help me. Do this one. Why open that my family channel? I will come and say, help me to do. Help me do. I don't know. Maybe get help check and say maybe I know certain way. They don't do it for me. Everything about my YouTube, I done by myself. Any information, anyone be say I don't even do. My daughter go do. He go help me. He go say, "Mommy, not just stress yourself. Go help me do one." And now ask person how to edit one day. And now ask person, even people even ask, I need watch time. They not even pay money. They not help. If you see that say, they promote this one, not say they be the same gang. Hey, get your panyanki. Here when no they will not even do it for you. Brother and sister, if you want to start YouTube, anything you want to do, just do everything on YouTube. Anything that you want. If you want to how to open new YouTube, how to create everything, just go it. Even see this our sister. You just want Paris. Okay, you come out now. So everything you want to do, everything is YouTube. Don't need to beg anybody to do it for you, unless you tell that person. Because some people, after they don't want for you, they want to collect your own. So now let me quickly do this video. I'm gonna stop all this nonsense. It's not good. Not to help anybody. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share. As you do that, God Almighty will bless you. Comment down below. When they see now, comment down below. As you do that, God Almighty will bless you. I will see you in my next video, guys. Have a wonderful time. Bye bye.